Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a very easy and quick white sauce pasta recipe. So no more delay, let's get started with the recipe. In a pan, I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter starts to melt, add 2 tablespoons of garlic chopped. Stir them on high flame for a minute. Make sure you do not burn the garlic. Once the garlic is cooked, add in the veggies of your choice. Here I have added sliced mushrooms, broccoli, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, some sweet corn and green capsicum. Mix them and cook them on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Do not overcook the veggies. After 4 minutes, move the veggies towards the edges of the pan and add 2 tablespoons of Maida. One tablespoon of butter, mix the Maida into the butter and cook them for a minute. And then mix everything with the veggies. Then add 500 ml milk. Mix everything well and let them come to a boil. Once the milk comes to boil, add salt to taste, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, and give them a mix and cook them for a minute. Now add in 250 grams boiled pasta to the white sauce. Here I have boiled the pasta according to the package instructions. Mix the pasta gently and coat the pasta with the white sauce. Then grate 2 cubes of cheese into the pasta. Here I have used processed cheese. Mix everything gently and allow the cheese to melt. And the white sauce pasta with veggies is ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try and share your pictures with me on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for latest video updates.